3, 2, 1. It's time to dig the Diglett. Let's do this. So we have ourselves the usual opener here, which, you know, I really love. I miss the old music, though, I won't lie. Oh, yummy veggies. There's so many vegetables. Don't they look tasty? They're fresh from the farm, so they still have leaves and dirt on them. The vegetables came with a letter from Endo, a student of Sakuragi's. He says that he took up farming 2 years ago. Supposedly, Diglett and Dugtrio suddenly turned up in his fields recently, and they're causing him trouble. I hope we find out why. Like, it just seems really weird. Chews on plant roots underground and cause damage to certain delicate vegetable crops. Well, I mean, I guess it's in Diglett's Dex entry. And now we got Dugtrio here. These triplets have super effective teamwork. We can go scope out that. I really want to catch Diglett and Dugtrio. I thought you'd say that. And, oh, we got Chloe. Good morning. I decided to have Chloe help you out this time. Oh, there we go. Say hello to Endo for me. Sure, I'll thank you for the vegetables too. I'll see you later, okay? Man, Yamper is so cute. Go and investigate thoroughly and don't forget to have fun. Yeah, here we go, I guess. All right. Nice long stretch of the... Oh, that is quite a beautiful sight there. It's huge. Yes, it is, GOH. Evie, look at this. It's a really nice view. Oh, we got cute little Evie. Man, I love Chloe's Evie. Huh? Hey, why are you running? Wide open spaces just make you want to run. Yeah, I agree. You should run too, Chloe. Come on. Well, whatever. 1, 2, 3 with Entity Maze. 1, 2, 3 with CrasherReacts. And 1, 2, 3 with the Crasher community. Woo! Almost missed my cue there. It's time to get back into the episode. Where is Diglett? In the ground. Alright, and there's the farm. There's the little Voltorb there. And, oh no. Oh, Evie! No, don't. Oh no! Poor Evie! Oh man. That Evie spooked that Voltorb and Voltorb just shocked it. Or maybe Voltorb saw Evie as, like, an enemy or something like that. I don't know. Alright, I'm gonna catch... I don't know if that's a good idea. Hold on, sorry, but that's my precious partner who helps me tend to the field. Just as I thought. Mr. Endo? Hi, Koharu. Thank you for coming all this way. It's been such a long time. You've really grown. When I was at the Sakuraga lab, you were still only this tall. Oh, man. And there's a flashback. Back when Endo, I guess, was a lab assistant. And you're Satoshi Go, right? Nice to meet you. Welcome to Endo Farm. Nice to meet you. A pleasure to meet you. Okay, then. Let's put your bags inside. Oh, man. I can't get over that Voltorb. Just... oh, man. Try some of my prized fresh vegetables. Oh, they do look tasty. Go on, pick whatever you'd like. All right, so this is how tomatoes are grown. You never knew that? No, I knew it was a thing. I just never seen it before. Oh, go ahead, take a big bite. Okay, they're all gonna take a bite out of the tomatoes. It's really tasty. It's more like a fruit than a vegetable. It's sweet and smells great. Eevee and Pikachu are certainly enjoying it. That makes me really happy. I took up farming in hopes to see smiles like yours. Both research and farming gives you the satisfaction of helping people out. Go on, have some more. Thank you very much. And of course, Ash and Go are just chowing down on it. The soil is great. Oh, you can tell? Well, I look after the flowers at school. What I do is I crush molted Gorognash shells and use... oh, Golem. Ack! Chloe's not too much a fan of that. So, Mr. Endo, where are the Diglett and Dugtrio? Oh, let's see. This way, I'll show you. This is the largest field here at the Endo Farm, alright? Currently, I'm growing carrots here. There's the Voltorb, and... okay, just zapped away what looks to be weeds. It's pulling out weeds. And it's much better at it than me. It's really dependable. Alright. Oh, no! Ash got zapped as well, and the Voltorb. I'm used to this. Yeah, that's thanks to his beanbag toy Pikachu. Oh, wait, I see some rustling. There's the little bastards. Uh-oh, here he comes. Nope, this is gonna be like whack-a-mole. I can already tell with this. Like look at this. They're all popping up now. There's so many Diglett. You can see my issue. For some reason, Diglett suddenly started showing up in my field not too long ago. Voltorb watched them for me, but I can't keep up with them. With them running around, the carrots will get ruined. What's more, we're on harvest season. Uh-oh. Poor Voltorb's getting exhausted. So being at my wit's end, I asked the professor for help. Oh, poor carrot. For now, we need to do something about the Diglett. I'll chase them out with the battle. And I'll catch them. Of course you would go. Where'd they go? They're hiding under the soil, see? Well, yeah. That's where they live. If you're going to catch a Diglett, it's okay to pull up the carrots. Now's the perfect time to harvest them. Okay, let's do it. Oh, here comes Cinderace. Careful, Cinderace, don't burn any of the vegetation, okay? That wouldn't be good. And we got, oh, where'd you go? Where'd you go? This is kind of fun. Whoa, I'm covered in mud. Of course you are. Your clothes are always going to get dirty in the fields. Don't worry about it. Makes sense. Yeah, I guess they would. Oh, there's Diglett, and it's digging. You're not getting away. Uh-oh. Here we go. It's heading your way. Oh, here comes Ash. And, whoa. Pikachu got spooked by the Dugtrio. All right, Monster Ball, go. Oh, well, it's not going to be that easy. Ash, Go, and Chloe are harvesting the veggies and trying to go after the Diglett and Dugtrio at the same time. Over there! Huh? This way! Where exactly? There's too many of them! I can't keep track! There! And of course, Ash got Pokeballed in the face. Go, did you just try to catch Ash? I caught a Satoshi! Of course I wasn't! Oh my. So, all the Diglets seem to have, taken off. They left. Yeah, alright. Interesting. We failed. At least they were able to save the carrots. That was a great help. Thanks to you, we harvested a lot of carrots. How about we leave the rest for tomorrow? Sure. Okay. You know, for it being a filler episode, it's not half bad. I enjoyed that little sequence we just had. I get the feeling that Dugtrio was kind of like their leader. I had a feeling about that as well, actually. Yeah, if I catch it, maybe the Diglett will stop coming. I thought of some. Oh my god, that's so cute! Eevee was rolling around Voltorb like a ball. All right. Compared to them, we were all over the place. Maybe that's why we didn't have any luck. They're talking about, you know, how the Diglett and Dugtrio were all coordinated and stuff like that. So, they gotta come up with some teamwork. What if we have someone overseeing everything and give us commands? You'd be perfect for doing that. I guess Chloe is nominated. We're counting on you. Oh my god, so cute. That Eevee is just so cute, man, my god. I'll give it a try, okay? I guess it's night-night times, and now it's, morning times. All right, everything's ready. So Chloe's all the way up on the balcony. I gotta say, Endo's place is huge. Like, I know, like, you know, Farm has, like, a lot of acres of land, but, like, his actual living quarters is actually really big. I set up those flags thinking some markers would help make it easier. You really thought this through. Wait a second. They're here. Oh, shit. Here we go. All right. Diglett. All right. It's head for the blue flag. The blue flag. Let's hope this works. Over there, it's close. And... Nope. Leave it to me. That Diglett tried to escape, and it looks like its fate has been sealed in a Pokeball. That is genius. That is genius. I caught a Diglett. Good job, Go. Okay, it worked. That's great. Yeah, that was nice. That's a nice strategy. Oh, there's still plenty more. Is Go gonna try and catch all of them, though? Oh, there's Dugtrio. Oh, here we go. The leader's turned up, and here comes all them damn Digletts. Oh boy. And Dugtrio's given the command, and he's now underneath. Uh-oh. And here comes the rest of the Digletts. Oh boy. Red flag. Head for the red flag. The fast one is Dugtrio. Get ahead of it. All right. Let's go. Come on, Ash and Go. You got this. Let's go. Let's go. We got Ash running alongside him. Go and Cinderace as well. Oh, here we go. Oh, here we go. Come on, Ash, pull it out. There you go. And there's Dugtrio. Oh, shit. Moment of truth, baby. Is Go going to catch that Dugtrio? Ba-boom! Yes, he did. All right. He caught both Diglett and Dugtrio. Nice. I caught Dugtrio. But what about all those Digletts, though? Yeah, like, look, there's still a bunch of them. But now they're looking around and, okay. Now they're withdrawing. Oh, thank you so much, everyone. I guess they left because Dugtrio is no longer there to guide them. Now maybe the Diglett will stop coming to the field. I wonder about that. They run off for now, but what could have caused the Dugtrio and Diglett to suddenly turn up in the field? That's what I want to know. They used to live on the hill across from the farm, but they never came to the fields before. Maybe we can figure something out if we take a look at the hill. Let's go. Okay, so finally gonna get an answer, I hope. And, oh, just Meowth. This isn't good, Meowth. Fields are so nice. So we got Team Rocket here. Napping under the sun is the best. Wait, I hope Wobbuffet, I hope Team Rocket's not the reason for all of this. When you see some wide open place, you just stop caring about the details. You all slacking off like that is why we ran out of food and I had to resort to growing some, meow. Hyper automated farm work machine. Meow Scarecrow 2, you're up. Okay. Could they actually be the reason for the Diglett and Dugtrio at Endo's farm? Okay. That's a very interesting contraption, and there's a little rainbow here. I'm giving them lots of water, but they're just drooping over, meow. Well, probably because you're giving them too much. That means we need music. Just like in the preview, like one of the previews. And now we got the Scarecrow Meowth with the music. Listen to music makes plants grow better. What's that noise? It's so loud. If this was happening, I'm not surprised the Diglett would run away from it. Uh-oh. What's going on here? Oh, shit. And now we got Team Rocket with their usual intro. Yeah, that Meowth in the suit. It's just like what we've seen in the special teaser, you know? Showcasing clips from future episodes and stuff. So who would have thought that all this was because of Team Rocket? I should have known. I should have known. We got our answer. So you've come, brat boys. Huh? What was that? I can't hear a thing. Darn it, meow. Music, stop, meow. There he is in his little conductor suit again. And the music finally stopped, my god. So you drove the Diglett out of their home? Give it back to them right now. Huh, you got some nerve cutting into our relaxation time. Well, I was getting sort of bored of the fields. Stealing suits us more than sleeping in the fields anyways. We'll be taking that Pikachu for like the 1 millionth time, and watch as that doesn't work. And now we got vending. Here we go. What Pokemon are they gonna get this time, I wonder? Stick your coin in and out pops a prize. Let's see this. Clatter, clatter. All right. 2 balls as per usual. What we're gonna get? All right. What do we have here? Oh, Drillbur? Sandslash. I mean, it does make sense since, you know, like, this is an episode centralized around ground-type Pokemon. Oh, there's Dugtrio! Goes using his Dugtrio right away! And we got Dig happening. Oh, Drill Liner. Use Drill Liner too. So we got double Drill Liner happening. So Drill Run, I should say. Oh, here we go with the Bulldoze. Oh, a Bulldoze underground? That's gonna... Oh, what's going on? I can't tell. A battle of epic proportions must be unfolding, meow. Are you sure? Oh my god. Yup. Now we got ourselves Quick Attack from Pikachu. Drillbur's done. Sandslash done. Alright, now Sandhell? Okay. And that's gotta be Sandtomb right there. Oh boy. Uh-oh. Oh, and Team Rocket's caught up in the whirling sands as well. Oh boy. We couldn't be. What an awful feeling. They're blasting off. So go use his newly caught Dugtrio to win the day. Nice. Very nice. The soil is really soft. And probably from all the drilling that took place. It's a great color. Thanks for the food. Go on, eat as much as you want. I made loads of dishes with the carrots you picked. Oh, they will go. Is that carrot cake? Oh, man. I haven't had carrot cake in a long time, but man, the food looks good. Wow. Those are the guys that were with Dugtrio. They're communicating, Dugtrio and Digletts. I get the Diglett will have a hard time without their okay. Wait a second. Here, I'm leaving Dugtrio with you. Oh! So Endo's getting Ghost Dugtrio. I have this one already, the cute little Diglett. And I've learned something while looking through some information. If a Dugtrio digs through a field, it leaves the soil perfectly tilled and ideal for planting crops. Wow! Nice thinking, Go. So I think it'll make a good partner for you, Mr. Endo. Nice! I see, I couldn't ask for better help with the fields. I'll be growing even tastier vegetables than before, so will you help me out with that? I'm counting on you. So it looks like Endo now is a Diglett and Dugtrio farm. Okay, interesting. All is well that ends well, I guess. Wow. Oh, cute little Leavey. Wonder what Chloe's thinking about. That was a bit weird. Oh, now she's running. Wide open spaces just make you want to run, right? She copied literally what Ash did earlier. Wait for us. Okay. Wow. The trio of Satoshi, Go, and Koharu went investigating together. It looks like their display of teamwork had made them even closer friends. I guess so. Wow. All right. Interesting. Interesting stuff.